Hello everyone, here we go with another Posa South LTVA video to show you how many RVs are out here. This is about noon on the 19th of January. My chase driver is finally feeling better, so we're going to do the full pass on Posa South and go over into Tyson Wash. If you look at the last one, you will see the last video I did, you will see a significant amount of more RVs out here. So as I've said in the past, if this is too slow, you can go into your tools on YouTube and speed it up. This time I'm flying the drone a little more south of the entrance road to show you how many more people are out here in this part of the LTVA. And on the way back, I will stay to the north side of the entrance road for the same reason. I can look out the windshield of my motorhome as I am parked facing east and see the entrance road off in the distance. And there has been a steady flow of RVs coming in the last 3 or 4 days especially. And my last video was only 5 days ago, so there's definitely a lot more here in that time frame. And as you might guess, the little town of Quartzsite is buzzing with people. So when you come here, make sure you bring your patients with you. So coming up on the screen here, just left of center, is a motorhome with a huge tilted solar array on the roof. You can look up a video I did where I circled my drone around it, as it is very impressive. According to one of the people commenting on that video, they said they chatted with the gentleman on Facebook, and he said that he had 4.4 kilowatts of solar. So that's a pretty good setup. So as you can see at the entrance of Posa South down in the lower left corner, there are some RVs there signing in, as there seems to be a constant flow. And as we fly across Highway 95, you'll see RVs waiting to sign in at this side, which is called Tyson Wash. As I've said in the past, this area on Tyson Wash, the lower left corner right now, we're flying over what will be the new water lanes, and just past them there will be new dump sites, and just past the dump sites you'll see the evaporation ponds for the dump sites. But as I've said previous, none of this is open yet, and I haven't been able to confirm any dates of when they may be. So hopefully next year. As we all know, the government doesn't do anything at any expeditious speed. The RVs down below are signing in to Tyson Wash. As you've noticed, it's a very overcast day, and I believe the last forecast I saw said Saturday night late we will start seeing rain through late Monday. So off in the distance center of the screen is our camp, and you can see that it has grown significantly. I hope everybody has a great day.